Transcend 365 Mini CPAP. Today, we are going to look at the new Transcend 365 Mini CPAP. It's the smart CPAP choice for use at home and on the go. I've unpacked this already so you can see the contents. The package comes with the Transcend 365 Mini CPAP, an integrated heated humidifier, a standard 6-foot hose, AC power supply, mini USB cable, and a printed quick guide. It also includes a padded travel bag with a zipper closure and a set of international plugs so your mini CPAP is ready to use out of the bag. These are a $50 value that you get for free with your mini CPAP purchase. Transcend has created the world's lightest integrated CPAP and heated humidifier. It has all of the comfort and features of a traditional CPAP and heated humidifier in a system that's about half the size. The Transcend 365 Mini CPAP is powered by AC power, and it can run on the optional P10 battery. It's the world's only battery-powered portable CPAP and heated humidifier. The small but powerful P10 battery nests perfectly in place and can even provide backup power for uninterrupted therapy during a power outage. On the top of the Transcend 365 Mini CPAP, you'll see the large tactile buttons for easy use. The center button begins therapy and is used to make a selection while navigating through the CPAP screens. The directional buttons help you navigate through the CPAP screens. When the CPAP is connected to a power source, the screen will illuminate, displaying the home screen. You can navigate to one of the 4 icons. Top, gears icon brings you to settings. Right, checkmark icon brings you to the last session of therapy. Bottom, water drop icon brings you to the humidifier setting. Left, paper icon brings you to detailed compliance data. Arrow up to the gears icon to view or change your settings. Once highlighted, click the center button for the therapy, mask, tube, and language settings. The left or return button brings you back to the home screen. Arrow to the checkmark on the right and press the center button to view your last session. Here, you will see the compliance data from your last night of therapy, including the duration of your session, AHI, average leak and pressure. Arrow down to the droplet icon and press the center button to view or change your humidifier settings. The up and down buttons adjust the humidification level. Settings range from 0 to 10. 0 turns off the humidifier. Make sure to highlight the green checkmark and press the center button to save your settings before returning to the home screen. It's important to note the Transcend 365 Mini CPAP only uses distilled water, or water that's been filtered with the approved Transcend 365 portable water filter. Do not use tap water or you will damage the humidifier. We'll cover how to use Accessory portable water filter in a little bit. Arrow to the paper icon on the left and press the center button to view detailed compliance data. Here you can review your compliance reports, including last day, last week, last 90 days. Clicking on one of these will show you the compliance data for that time period. The smart humidifier really sets the Transcend 365 Mini CPAP apart from other CPAP systems. The highly efficient humidification system is designed to save water and energy, so you can power the CPAP and heated humidifier from the optional travel-sized P10 battery. It's the only portable CPAP and heated humidifier that can operate on battery power. Here's how it works. The process begins when the 365 senses inhalation. The water is drawn up through a wick and vaporized instantly, only using a pulse of energy to create heated humidification. The vapor travels to the mask, delivering heated humidification to the user during inhalation. The humidifier rests during exhalation, preserving water and power. This innovative humidification system uses a smaller reservoir and requires less energy to power both the CPAP and heated humidifier, delivering the comfort and features of a traditional CPAP and humidifier in a package that's half the size. The free Transcend software lets you view your compliance data and adjust the comfort features on your CPAP. Visit www.mytranscend.com/support to download the software to your computer. Connect your mini CPAP to power, then to a computer with the included mini USB cord to download compliance data or adjust your comfort settings. 365 mini CPAP humidification. It's important after filling your reservoir to insert the heater wick properly for a secure fit. Here's how. To prevent any damage to the water seal on the reservoir, make sure to connect the CPAP to the reservoir from the wick end first. Carefully seat the heater wick into the reservoir so that it does not catch the reservoir seal. The magnets on the tray will then perfectly seat the 365 device in place. Use the proper method for connection every time to ensure your system continues to operate optimally. Using the 365 mini CPAP, accessory filter, and filling the humidification tray. Transcend 365 mini CPAP requires the use of distilled water or water filtered with the approved Transcend 365 portable water filter. Use of regular tap water will damage the humidifier and void the warranty. Using the Transcend 365 portable water filter is simple. Here's how it works. The compact, self-contained portable water filter can be used multiple times before you need to replace the filter cartridge. Pull off the filter cover and reattach it to the top of the filter cartridge. Then, using the magnets, secure the filter to the tray. Fill the reservoir to the fill line for a full night of humidification. Once you're done, the filter neatly reassembles for storage until you use it again. It's that easy. Get the CPAP system you can use 365 days a year. The Transcend 365 mini CPAP is a completely integrated and portable CPAP and heated humidifier that's ready to go wherever so you can sleep comfortably every night, everywhere. It's the smart CPAP at home and on the go. Visit mytranscend.com for available accessories, specifications, and more information.